And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. It's a little cloudy, but it's a lot drier than it was overnight last night and this morning as well. Cloudy skies right now. 2 degrees is where we're at. That is our daytime high. We had our low at 3 a.m. of 0, and we stayed there for 10 hours. So we haven't had a lot of fluctuation as far as temperatures go. Some areas managed to squeak up a little warmer than what we're sitting at right now, but all areas being still influenced by that upper low that has pulled down some cooler air from the north. Now that low has moved off into Saskatchewan, giving some snowfall to the Regina area right now, but we've still got the wraparound effect from it, so pull down of cooler air, and that's what we're dealing with right now. We've got a major low pressure center still on the BC coast. The core of it is still off into the Pacific, but you see these bands of precipitation that continue to move through. Vancouver is looking at another 4 or 5 days of rain, the odd little sunny break, but mostly rain. Temperature-wise, they're not suffering, though. They're at 14 degrees right now, but still higher elevations getting that rain-snow combination, and of course snow in the extreme higher elevations. But here on this side of the Continental Divide, mostly right now we're just looking at that mist and that cloud cover. We've got an easterly flow at the surface, and that backs up any cloud cover, any precipitation into the foothills and the mountains. So once we get into a westerly flow, which will happen, by the way, overnight tonight, will be really windy by tomorrow afternoon with gusts 60, 65 kilometers per hour, and that'll push off all that cloud cover. But we still have that precipitation tomorrow that's going to remain isolated into the mountains, and you can just see little bits of cloud cover drifting off in the morning hours tomorrow morning, a little more concentrated, a little less in the afternoon, and then kind of redistributing itself during the evening hours. We'll start to see a little bit more cloud cover move in, but still temperature-wise not bad at all. Down east, that remnant of Sandy is still trying to pull off the continent, and as it does so, still creating showers and clouds through much of eastern Canada, the Maritimes, and into Atlantic Canada as well. Take a couple more days for that to scour out. -1 degree in Winnipeg. Western Canada pretty much under cloudy skies right now. And as I said, we've got some snow happening in Regina, -3 in Saskatoon, -4 degrees rather in Edmonton, and cloudy right now. And as I said, warmer. Vancouver has popped up a degree to 15 degrees, and it's snowing in Whitehorse and Yellowknife at this hour, -7 and -10 respectively. Overnight forecast for East Kootenay, you're looking at mainly cloudy skies tonight, down to 2, up to 10 tomorrow. Winds will be out of the south. You'll have cloudy skies with that chance of evening showers tomorrow. Crow's Nest Pass, few clouds tonight, down to 2 degrees. Windy tonight, windy tomorrow, mainly cloudy tomorrow with some afternoon showers on your forecast menu. And Medicine Hat looking at partly cloudy skies, down to -3 tonight. Sun and cloud, +9 tomorrow. Winds out of the southwest tomorrow. And here in Lethbridge, after midnight tonight, we'll have partly cloudy skies as the winds start to shift to the west, -2 for a low. Tomorrow should be mainly sunny, especially by the afternoon hours, and mainly windy as well. 60 kilometer per hour peak gusts by the afternoon, maybe even 65. There's your 5-day forecast. Temperatures holding on very nicely. Tuesday's when we take a temperature hit. Got another upper low pressure center moving across, so we'll get a pull down of northerly air and some precipitation as well. 10 degrees on Wednesday, and it looks like Thursday will be 0 with a chance of flurries. So that's what I meant about the roller coaster ride through November. Now, Olga, we have to give a citizen salute to Olga, and Daryl Rummel is behind the camera today, and he's actually saluting Daryl. Anyway, Olga has been a wonderful volunteer. She's 84 years old. I have her permission to say that, and she's been volunteering for over 40 years with a variety of groups. I don't have enough time to even list them all. Just know she's a wonderful volunteer, and we have a basket here for you. That's it for me. Have a safe evening and weekend, everyone. We'll see you Monday.